you go, Xander. Bon appetit, dude.
Doesn't it look delicious?
Play with it.
There's groceries in it.
There is?
Yeah. See, there's some groceries. Oh.
Who's that?
Darn pepper.
Let me see. Ew.
Salt and pepper.
We'll just put.
No. They do it here. The ones that are bites just won't go out. It's for anger. It's a whack.
Pick it
Ew.
up like this. Go.
No.
Ew.
Oh, this one's going to go out. Is this squishy? Whoa. What's this guy?
Turn it around.
I like this. Watch. Let me see. See, let's peel all this off. Who is this?
No.
Who is that?
I don't know.
It looks like ketchup.
What's the?
I wouldn't. I don't know.
The.
It says a grocery.
It's a nasty grocery. It's the ketchup one though.
This one. Is that one a color changer?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, let me see it.
It's a hamburger.
Ew, that's gross. It's all black and molded. Ooh, the Hitler.
Well,
Ones that are need to be.
Look at that slime.
isn't that goopy?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, look who fell out. Ew. Did you just sneeze goop? Gross.
Hard ones we have to go like that.
What if I did that? Just put the goop right on top of him. It's not sticky. Ew.
I know what this guy is. Best algae drink.
Buzzed algae drink?
No algae
Energy drink.
Oh, energy.
drink.
Those are not good for you.
Guys, they make you go get more. It says a drink, but soda. In the soda section,
Soda section.
again.
Put him right there and I'll put some.
Who's this guy? In the air. Who's this guy? Looks like a pizza.
Is it a pizza?
Oh. Ew.
Puke the pizza.
Ow.
I puked it all over. Let's just lay him down. Cute.
You want him to have some on him too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we can do this. You can lay him
Okay, I'll lay him down. Ew, it's like he's smushed, huh?
down. Yeah.
Hey, Xander. Do you want to introduce your new friend?
What?
Come here and get him.
Eh,
Who is this?
it's Froggy.
This is Froggy?
This is Froggy.
This is Xander's cat, Froggy. We rescued him from, PetSmart.
No, pet shop.
Pet shop. Yep. That is from the ugliest pet shop.
He's not ugly. Aww.
He's cute.
He's
From
cute.
Cute pet shop.
Does he smell bad, though?
No,
How many times do you think he farted just today?
look at this. It's a
How many times did you fart today? How many times did Xander fart today?
one.
5 times. Did you count?
Yeah.
Xander, go back over by your chair.
Here. Oh yeah, that one is extra good.
There's hair on this one.
Ew. Oh, it's fine. Sorry.
Froggy wants to play.
Hey, Froggy.
He doesn't want with his kids with me.
Oh.
Start pepper in the different color.
Oh wow.
Wait,
Well,
what's stone
honey,
pepper?
I think that was the first one. Let me see.
Maybe it fell out.
Yeah, maybe.
There's some goop on it.
Here, I'll goop them. I'll goop them while you play with them.
Who got here? It's an ice cube and a yogurt and a brownie. It's,
Oh.
this one is a barf brownie.
Ew. Barf.
Yeah, but
What is barf? What's barf mean?
barf means
Throw up.
It's throw up. You didn't know that?
What, and when you throw up, what does it sound like? What does it sound like? Ugh.
and someone took a bite out of it.
Ew, someone even bit it?
Yeah. Hey, but when you take a bite of it, you better want barf.
Looks like a leech. Or a slug.
Yeah, I'll barf it up.
Oh, we got here.
Froggy's
Froggy, what are you
chewing
doing?
on a guitar string.
This
Froggy.
This is,
Who's that one?
I'm going to wait for mom.
Okay, wait for mommy.
I'm right here.
This is
A yuck yogurt.
yuck.
Ew.
I ooped him.
These look like they got inked.
We got pre.
I'm going to name my ice cube Nani.
Nani?
Nani?
Yeah, cause this one's a girl.
Oh, okay.
Nani
cool.
is a girl name. Boing, boing, boing.
I'll goop them. Gross.
This is
Xander, you got a booger on your face.
You know
You left
exactly
another
where.
booger on a
There's
face.
another booger on there. No.
That one's a green one.
There you go.
this one is it's a breakfast sandwich.
A muck muffin.
Yeah, this is what muffins are.
It looks almost like a McMuffin.
Or
They do last forever.
Is that a copyright infringement right there?
Dun, dun, dun.
it's a juice. I'm going to name him Froggy.
Bonging?
Froggy.
Frawning?
So I'm going to get him right here.
Okay. So I'll take him.
No, I'm
Okay.
going to goop him. I gooped him.
You gooped him.
Yeah, and this is a soda.
Nice.
It's juice.
No.
A different kind of one and a new one.
Okay.
And then I'm going to get some goop.
Goop. The goopies.
I'm just going in them.
In the goop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, this guy's his buddy.
Aw, that's good that they have friends, even though they're all goopy and molded.
No, that one's sleeping. And is that one Sparky? Like, and they got our goop and get our goop. And then I'm going to get our goop.
Did you just piss that?
They're not groceries.
Kind of
Going
weird.
to
Okay, I got it.
get all this out of here.
Froggy, honey.
And I'm
We should
going-
throw Froggy back in the pond.
I'm waiting for my mom.
Okay.
What? No, I'm not done.
I know.
This is a long video.
There's a long video.
Yeah. They're going to be in here. Stop. And boom, boom. Boom. Well, on YouTube, they don't say that. Say it again. Kiss Jackie.
3.
Thank you for watching. Back to my video. Bye.